When it comes to international transfers, OFX is one of the most trusted platforms for moving funds to Canada. Unlike traditional banks, OFX provides a transparent, fast, and cost-efficient way to send money across borders. The standout factor is that OFX doesn't charge hidden margins, allowing users to get better exchange rates compared to many high street banks. To transfer money to Canada with OFX, you begin by creating a free account on www.ofx.com. Once verified, you can lock in an exchange rate, fund your transfer, and let OFX do the rest. The process is straightforward, but what makes it truly effective is how the platform balances speed, compliance, and affordability. Here are 5 things about transferring to Canada with OFX that make it different. 1. Localized settlement advantage. Transfers to Canada often settle through local Canadian banking partners, which reduces delays. This ensures Canadian recipients receive money faster without the need for international intermediary banks. 2. Dual currency routing. OFX has a feature where funds moving to Canada can be routed either directly in CAD or via USD corridors. This routing flexibility allows you to benefit from whichever path offers better liquidity and rates. 3. Real-time compliance screening. Every transfer to Canada is scanned instantly against both OFX and Canadian financial regulations, reducing the chances of rejections or freezes. This keeps the flow of funds secure and uninterrupted. 4. Adaptive exchange lock. Unlike most providers, OFX allows you to hold a rate for a short period, even if market rates fluctuate. This can be particularly useful for transfers to Canada during volatile currency shifts. 5. Fee waiver threshold. For transfers above a certain CAD value, OFX completely removes transfer fees, giving you full value delivery. This feature is highly beneficial for students, business owners, and property buyers sending larger sums. For anyone transferring to Canada, the OFX app also gives push notifications for transfer status updates, making the entire journey transparent. Whether you're sending tuition fees, paying for investments, or supporting family, OFX ensures the process is reliable and customer-focused.